This is SkillSpector, a new tool from NVIDIA, and the number it's built on should make you nervous. NVIDIA scanned over 42,000 AI agent skills, the little plugins you install to give your coding agent new powers. More than 1 in 4 had a security vulnerability, and about 1 in 20 was outright malicious, built to do something to you. Think about what a skill actually is. When you install one, it runs with your agent's access, your files, your tools, your keys. A malicious skill can quietly inject instructions or exfiltrate your code and secrets, and you'd never know. And right now, everyone is installing skills by the dozen, and almost nobody audits them first. SkillSpector is the audit. It checks a skill before you trust it in 2 stages. First, a static scan for 64 known bad patterns across 16 categories. Then, an LLM reads the skill and judges its actual intent, catching the things a pattern match would miss. It flags prompt injection, data exfiltration, and abuse, and tells you whether a skill is safe to install before you ever run it. Let's be honest about the numbers. 26% vulnerable, 5% malicious. Those come from NVIDIA's own study, and a scanner is a filter, not a guarantee. But the alternative most people are choosing right now is to audit nothing at all. If you're installing agent skills, scan them first.